Jessica, what you get? No comment?
You want it? Same thing you got.
Okay. G, May, what you guys get?
Bacon, egg, and cheese. That took a sec. Hold on.
Anna?
Same.
Same?
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Sola?
Same.
Damn.
Basic bitches.
Her
Except
shoes.
for May.
Don't look at mine.
The jeans.
Look at everyone's
The
shoes.
belt bag.
Don't look at the belt bag.
But you know what? It's
The
convenient.
puffer.
The puffer.
The North Face puffers. Don't look at them.
Ready? It's like breaking the bread.
Mmm. Salmon. So good. It's good. I feel like the smallest bite, but it's good. Where are we going
Should've
next?
gotten lost.
The Grand Central Station. Not in a hurry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Annette. The first couple of videos might have been a little bit hectic because you might have no idea what's going on. Basically, I'm in New York. It's a girl trip with my friends from college and we're here for like a couple of days. I was so jet lagged. We landed at like 8 a.m. here in NYC, but like back where I am in Seattle, that's like 5 a.m. So it's insanely like little sleep for me. And so we like went straight to the hotel, dropped off our bags, but then had to go do some other things like the color factory. I think we ate at one point, and yeah, it's just been really hectic. So I slept like almost at like every attraction we went, and I'll insert clips here. But yeah, so now that I finally got at least like an hour's rest on a bed, now I'm more like rejuvenated, and so I'm getting ready to just hang out with my aunt tonight. My friends are gonna be watching Chicago, but I didn't really want to watch because I don't know, I'm just like not really someone who enjoys sitting in prolonged spaces for a long time. And also I've never seen like Chicago, I don't know if it's like a book or a movie, but I just wasn't really interested in seeing it at Broadway. So I'm gonna be getting dinner with my aunt as well as my cousin. So I'm really excited to see them. And yes, let me get ready. Okay, so I changed my outfit a little bit, not really that much, but here's the fit. I was wearing sweatpants earlier, but then I changed it into these ones, which are the Levi's dad jeans. You guys always ask what jeans are these, and I always get so many compliments on them. I'm wearing the same top as earlier from Aritzia, and then I'm also layering it with like the Aritzia cozy boyfriend hoodie that's cropped. And then I have like a just regular black puffer, and then this scarf from H&M, and then this bag my aunt got me, and then these shoes are these platform Converse shoes that Adrian got for me a bit ago. I am not going to bring my vlog camera just because I'm going to be walking by myself. So with that, you're going to get some good old iPhone quality. We're at the Met, but I don't know.
Dude, did you see the mummies?
No.
They're on the other side.
Oh, okay, it's pretty.
Well, I bet this just is like a circle.
Yeah, I'll probably loop back around.
Watch us get lost.
We're gonna get lost
There's
for
Zola.
sure. Oh,
Also, I don't know where half of our group is.
what's good, Zola?
She's listening to the audio
Oh, she is? Okay.
because she's actually interested.
I know, she actually wants to. Oh,
Lark.
it's a video.
What? Nothing. Condom head goes into battle. Like that.
I can't with that.
Just go like this.
Pinhead. so good. I got the chicken marsala. Cheese fry. It's pretty good. We're going to Taylor Swift's house next.
Hashtag Cornelia Street.
Okay, so what's the song that has Taylor Swift house in it? Oh, there it is. Wait, really?
Yeah, Cornelia Street.
What song is it from? Is it just
It's from Cornelia Street.
Oh, okay. I'm not standing.
Hold on. Gotta get my photo.
There she is. There she goes.
But I'm definitely gonna take a video because I'm a hypocrite.
I'm not.
She used the vlog camera. She's so good at it. I mean, everyone knows.
This is such a cute video. Look at that.
Pointing to it.
I'm not in it.
Oh, it's not the real thing yet?
It's not even the real thing.
Okay. Now we're going to Taylor Swift's apartment, condo, and then I think we're shopping or something. But tonight we're going to the Rockefeller tree.
False alarm. What is up here?
Also,
I was gonna say, she could afford more. She can
Taylor,
better.
she can hike it up a little.
Oh my god, is that Annette?
Is that G?
No.
Is that
No, wrong
the
twin.
famous twins on TikTok?
No, that's the wrong twin.
I don't know.
I'm Asian. Who cares?
It even has her albums.
Wait, really?
Oh wow.
She's the only one who has room for a car to go through.
Oh, no shit. Wait, this is actually it?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's Taylor. Wow, this is very bougie. There's a no standing anytime sign too.
I mean, it's private.
Jessica, do you want a photo in front of it? We could take a photo.
I might make photos.
Cute. 1, 2, 3. I'll go with her then.
My sister literally sent me a TikTok on this place. So it's like a Italian deli restaurant, and they have like really good sandwiches. Oh, this place is cute.
Yeah, there's.
And so it has like broccoli rabe with like sausage inside a huge sandwich, and then they have like ones with like all this meat, and it's huge.
Maybe we should get that for lunch. Yeah, we still haven't gotten anything yet.
This is so cute though.
This is really cute. That's like
terrible.
Ficos.
Yeah, let's go across. I want to take a better picture.
Wait. OMG, is that Ashley Goodspeed?
Vlogger.
In lunch next, and we ran into another TikToker. They're on the What's Poppin' show, I think is their handle.
This is still my favorite TikTok.
Yeah, me and G are still the favorite TikTokers.
Now get out of my frame. Time to shine.
And I also ran out of money in my Metro card, so I'm gonna insert a clip of a little method that we have. Yeah, I'm hoping there's like an Aritzia that I can go into or something to shop. I hope we run into more celebrities or influencers.
Bella Hadid.
Bella Hadid? I'm actually gonna cry if I see her.
You definitely would not go up and ask, would you?
No, I'd probably just like
Cry,
saw from a
start
distance.
crying, and have her come to you.
Yeah.
Are you okay? No. No.
No, I'm not.
The answer is physically and emotionally in distress.
Okay, ready? Yeah. I'm ready. Go.
We can go out there. You want to go out there?
I think we can just go.
Yeah. We have 2 more floors, but we can go out.
It's gonna ruin my big little spot.
Okay, so we're at top of the rock right now. It's pretty tall. Kind of scared. You know, a lot of these buildings
That's the one I know.
Yeah, I think that's the only one I know too. Did your ears pop on the
My
way
ears
up?
popped. It was
My
so
ears
scary.
popped. Yeah.
We got 1 more floor to go.
One more.
See the Chrysler? Did you see the Chrysler?
Which one's the Chrysler again?
That one. That
It's a
one.
quiz.
The hat one? Do you want to take a picture with it? What's that one right there?
It's actually a terrible picture from me.
We should take it because we've been asking about the dang building this whole time.
No, I thought you were the...
I know all of the ones with the pointy things at the
I
top.
thought you were the pro. That's...
We definitely should take photos up here. Pretty. Ooh, it's kind of windy.
On a trip be on the way up here too.
No, she what's it called? Flat tired me and tripped herself.
Nah, it was all her fault.
Are they low or are we high?
We're really high.
A little to the right, 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 right. Up, right. A little lower. Left, left. There we are. There we go. You're on the red.
Photos by the tree guys.
Oh! Not me thinking there was more. My feet are killing me. They feel like little pricks on my heels. I'm pretty sure that's like plantar fasciitis. There's no way.
That's what I have.
Oh!
Like you're being stabbed?
Yeah!
Yeah, that's what I'm experiencing all trip.
I've never seen a doctor for that.
Well, it's usually because you have no arch or whatever.
Oh, I've never checked up on that before.
I haven't either. You just usually wear orthotics.
Oh man.
Or you don't go to New York.
Pro tip, don't wear Converse, nor Vans.
Don't wear any shoes.
You don't just go barefoot. This is absolutely insane. And I have a blister on my heel too. Where's, okay.
I can't afford to look back.
Ice forward, tears up.
When you say Times Square is just as cool in broad daylight,
You know, it's kind of cool right now, I'm not gonna lie. We kind of were in there yesterday, last night.
but we haven't seen the iconic steps. But I'm shocked.
Oh.
Just because you've been here before. No, I'm kidding. You're part of this team. There we are.
There. Let's do this again.
I'm trying to walk flat-footed towards the arch.
Why are there so many stairs this one? Yes, I'm ready. We good, we good, we good, we good. We're resting our feet. My feet hurt. I forgot to take a little clip of what I ate. I was just so hungry, I like inhaled it.
I'm so miserable, I can't.
So, according to Jessica, apparently, can I even say this on YouTube? As I was saying, Jessica told me that apparently there's a term for New York hot dogs. But that term, I don't know if I can say it on YouTube, if I'm gonna get flagged.
She's trying to say glizzy. And if no one knows what that is, it's a hot dog. On the East Coast.
On the East Coast.
I got an Italian glizzy. Wow. Bougie. Sorry, a normal glizzy was not correct. An Italian glizzy.
It has to be an
Which
Italian.
means it's spicy.
Oh my god, it's chili glizzy. Look at that.
It's literally just beans.
You got Euro?
Yeah.
Damn, that looks really good. How's your chili hot dog?
Glizzy. Chili glizzy. Use the right word. Glizzy, not a hot dog.
Where'd you even learn that?
TikTok.
Oh, really?
Of course.
Because you should trust everything on TikTok.
My feet hurt so bad. I'm actually wearing May's shoes right now. Thank you, May.
Just a tip. You want to bite?
I'll have a bite.
Glizzy changes lives.
That's good. What would you rate it?
Probably a 7.
We have one more full day in New York, and then we leave to Seattle. But first we have like a connecting flight in Chicago on Friday.
We should just get drunk. We need to find Jessica's mojitos there.
At the airport?
Get drunk at the airport and then just knock
Crash.
out.
Yeah.
Like, knock out on a plane.
I'm down for that.
Yeah. Can I get a ride home still?
Oh yeah, of course. Adrian's picking us up.
No, walk home actually with your luggage and everything. Maybe grab a glizzy on the way home.
A Seattle glizzy.
It won't be the same though. And they won't know what you're asking.
Nope, they will not. Yes, today is our last full day in New York. And it's also like the hardest day so far to actually get up and get ready for the day. It's like 8 o'clock here, but in Seattle it's like 5 a.m. It's really killing me. In terms of sleeping here, it's incredibly hard to sleep here because for some reason at night, like things get the city gets alive. Like there's actually like so much stuff going on in the city where you just can't really sleep. Like cars are honking, people are shouting. But today we're spending the day in Brooklyn. We're going to the Brooklyn Bridge for sightseeing on like a boat to like look at the Statue of Liberty and some other like buildings. And then we're going to the Brooklyn Botanical Garden. And between you and me, I'm hoping we're gonna get some shopping in. But if not, it's fine. It saves money for my wallet.
There are 2 levels of it. To get back to the school.
I'm like all bundled up. Bro, it's freezing. I feel the need to like stand up and like jump around.
Physical examinations. Although the island picked up indicate was that access to protected